Want to make your Tesla Model X truly yours? One easy way is to change its name. This video will guide you through the simple steps to rename your Model X directly from the car's touchscreen. Changing the name is a personalization feature and doesn't affect the vehicle's performance. Let's get started. First, sit inside your Model X. On the main touchscreen, look for the car silhouette icon, usually located at the bottom or top of the screen. Tap this icon. This opens the Controls menu, giving you access to various vehicle settings. Within the Controls menu, you'll need to find the section that allows you to modify software settings. This is typically labeled either Software or Service, depending on your Tesla's software version. Look for either of these options and tap to proceed. Once you're in the Software or Service menu, scan the options for Rename Your Car. This is the specific setting that lets you customize your Tesla's name. Select this option to begin the renaming process. A text box will appear on your Tesla's touchscreen, ready for you to enter your desired car name. You can type up to 20 characters, giving you plenty of room to get creative with names like Zoomer or Daily Driver. As you type, the character counter updates in real time, helping you stay within the 20-character limit. Tesla's system fully supports Unicode characters, allowing international names with accents or symbols. Once you've entered your new name, simply tap the Done button to save your changes. The name will sync automatically across your vehicle and Tesla app. Your Model X will instantly update to display the new name on the touchscreen. The change will also sync to your Tesla mobile app automatically. This means the new name will appear in the app as well, offering a consistent experience. Keep in mind that Tesla reserves the right to revert inappropriate or offensive names, so choose a name that is respectful and aligns with community guidelines. This ensures a positive and safe environment for all Tesla users. If the rename option is missing from your Tesla Model X, first ensure your software is up to date. If the problem continues after updating, contact Tesla support for assistance. As a bonus tip, take advantage of voice commands using your car's new name for a more personalized driving experience. Enjoy your newly named Model X.